Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to loop a video on Instagram story. It is very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram application and then click on the home page right up here. After that, all you need to do is to swipe to the right like this, and then in this interface on the left side, as you can see, there is a little infinity button. All you need to do is to click on that one button, and then you need to record a short video, so actually like this. So after that, as you can see, you have a loop video. So actually you can click on the infinity button at the top of your screen, and then you can change speed, for example, add slow-mo, you can add echo, you can add this one option or disable that options. After that, click on the done button at the top right, and then you need to add this video to your story. Actually, the key here is that you can't add, for example, 15 seconds video, so you can actually add a very short clip. So, and that's all, and that's how to loop a video on Instagram story. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.